you guys. So, my name is Joshua Cohen, and happy May, and a happy new month. So today we're going to listen to the church bells at 7 o'clock in the evening. We have 5 minutes. It's 6:55. So, and do you see that other church bell over here? Let me get it closer. It's also going to start. Remember last time it chimed? You know, we're just over in the middle of the way. Oh my god, it's so windy. Oh my god, it just turned on! Over 4 minutes! Guys, did you see that? The light just turned on. And all the lights are gonna turn on soon at midnight. Well, we have there's still 4 minutes. It's 6:56. And it's gonna be 7 o'clock soon. Well, it might getting a little cloudy a little bit there. But we have a lot of time. It's still 6:56. 3 minutes! It's 6:57! Oh, 3 minutes! We're just over a minute away. It's gonna start. We've been recording this. Oh! Did you saw it moving? I can't wait. It's almost time. The church bells is gonna start at 7 o'clock. Have time. 2 minutes! It's 6:58. You might want to see it move when it's almost 7 o'clock. 10 seconds before it moves. It's moving! 2 minutes, just over a minute away. It's gonna start soon. It's 6:59. So we have 1 minute. Mommy, hear it! It was so much fun. Yeah, talk about about exciting. Gosh, we sure open. It's 7 o'clock right now. It's 7 o'clock over here. Smells. Alright, gotta go quick. I gotta watch for cars. Gotta go quick. It's 7:01. Oh boy. Alright, you guys, we'll see you next time in the next video. Bye-bye.